switching off now. Yeah, we are in the desert. Sunset. Off. Are we? Yeah.
Do you want to take that for a sec?
Yeah. Thank you. What they're doing over there. So in the desert, we are all on these sort of buggies, if you want, and we're just doing our thing. One thing we have noticed in the desert is obviously a lot of kids, obviously trying to, whenever you stop, obviously trying to sell you stuff and bits and bobs, you know. Have you got the bag? So we're just getting out anyway. Let me show you what's around us. What they're doing over there, getting photos or whatever. Let me flip this around and show you anyway where we are. So this is our view right now. What they're doing, what they're shouting and bawling about, what's going on there? Obviously you can imagine it's very dusty here as well. So hey. Welcome to Egypt, everyone. So this is Sharm el Sheikh. It's proper dusty there, isn't it? Look how dusty it is now. Yeah. Down. Ready? 1 second, we're getting a photo. Okay, 1 second. Right. So, yeah. Anyway, what's included on this? You get to... Not your headscarf, yes, let me tell you. A little bit of a con that, if I've got to be honest with you. Because some companies that you go with, you get this included. This one, they're charging you about £3, £4 for your headscarf. But if you ever come to the market here in Sharm el Sheikh, for example, you can pick one of these up for $1. So that would be 80 pence or 70p or something like that. So obviously they're taking the mick there a little bit when it comes to these things. But we live and learn, because obviously we picked one up the other day anyway. But we were informed that you were given one of these on these tour things, so we didn't buy one. But it's proper like a Martian land here, isn't it? Look at it. Looks like, I feel like I'm in bloody... I've just landed on Mars or something, innit? Look at this, you know? It's class, innit? Yeah, so what do we get? Like I said, so you get the buggy, which obviously we're just sharing one of these buggies here. One of these red ones is ours. We get to ride on camels, we get some food, and yeah, and obviously you're out for a few hours, and you get to, at some point as well, we're going to do a bit of stargazing as well at some point, so there's some telescopes and bits and bobs to have a look at later on as well. I don't know, it's obviously a load more people starting to arrive now. Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it, Samantha, yeah. We've made sure we keep everything in one bag. And obviously, as you see, it's in front of you, you know. I mean, the people over here don't get paid a lot of money anyway. So, you know, it's like anything. If you come to a poorer country than your own, then you just keep your wits about you, don't you? But so far, so good. We've never felt intimidated or felt vulnerable at any time, you know. It's always been good. Do you get lunch? Yes, we do. Good afternoon, Ruby. It's actually 5 o'clock at night, 2 minutes past 5 here right now. Obviously, with all of these vehicles here at the moment, it's sort of churning up the sand and stuff, you know. So it's a bit dusty, as you see. I can actually taste it in my mouth. Boom. So we've just stopped off for 5-10 minutes, I think. And then at some point soon, I know we'll all be heading on to a camel. And hope we won't get the hump with the touch of luck. Did you get it? All right, okay. Sorry. Oh. I think it's over here you can decide whether or not you want a helmet. If you actually look, there'll be 1 or 2 people that are wearing helmets. Like I can see someone over there at the back. I think they've got a helmet on there. But see them 2 people there. They're from Hartlepool of all places, which is where I'm from, and they're obviously being sensible and wearing helmets, which is mad, innit? They're one of the only people wearing helmets, I've got to say. We are in one of these buggies, so we've got sort of a cage thing over the top of us, which I suppose provides a little bit more protection if it was to go over or anything like that. So there you go.
Oh, look, they're getting that girl.
What?
They're not leaving her alone.
What do you mean?
Kids.
Oh yeah, we were warned about that though. We were warned about when you come into the desert that there'll be kids trying to sell you stuff and they'll keep bothering you. But you know, just tell them no, you're not interested if you don't want something. I mean, they're trying to send you bands and things like that. What's going on?
Something from her.
They're doing what? I don't know what's going on here. Let me just check. I don't know, I was just checking, just making sure they seem alright. No, they seem okay.
Do you think that they stop us here on purpose?
What, to be hounded by the kids?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I'm not sure why we're stopped here at the moment, but I wouldn't have thought so. I think the kids were trying to fight over whatever they were just given. I think the kids were obviously fighting, but obviously within themselves, because someone had just given them some money or something, so they were trying to say, well, I want that and I want that, etc., etc. Hiya Louise, hope you're okay. Hiya Sonia, hiya Sean. Wait till you both get back, and I know we will definitely need a shower. It's proper dusty.
I can taste the grit.
I can taste it as well. My daughter obviously had one of those. She said, Michelle, hope you're okay. Miranda, it looks gorgeous. Is it warm? Yeah, it's nice. I mean, like I said, it's obviously night time now. Sun goes down here, as you see, sort of this time of year, about 4:30. So it's obviously the sun has set. We're all in t-shirts, as you see. I've got my shorts on. We have bought in the bag. We've obviously got a hoodie or a jacket just for later, just in case it does get a little cold. That's the thing. At this time of year over here, it's beautiful and warm during the day, and it really is lovely and warm. Like we both caught the sun, haven't we? The only thing is
I haven't really.
At night time, you will need a light jacket or something, wouldn't you? At this time of year, but other than that,
I'm careful with the mozzies because you get eaten alive.
Oh, you've had a few bites, haven't you?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, you've had a few bites.
I like my blood.
I like your blood. That's it, exactly. Do you get lunch? Yeah, we've answered that. I just don't see, did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything else, have I? So we still haven't worked out why we've stopped at the minute. They're just sort of all just hanging around, aren't we? I don't know what's going on at the minute. Photo opportunities, maybe. Did we get one with this in the background? Do you want to get one, yeah? So, are you okay? You okay? Leave. Stop.
English?
Yes, English.
So you're not
So yeah.
$1.
I don't need, thanks. But he's just, the sort of, bless them. Thing is, you'd end up with bloody 50,000 other things. We have given in the past. It's just a case of, we were sort of advised before we come not to, weren't we? So obviously if you want a drink or anything like that, then grab one. Give me a second. There you go. Yeah, we were sort of advised by the people who we booked the trip with that they will hound you, and if you take one off one, then you're going to end up with 20 of them at the side of you trying to sell you them. So best is to say no, unless of course you want to drink off one of them or something. They're selling you a can of Coke or something, and you want that, then take it. But again, we were advised, excuse me, to bring your own water and stuff with you, just so you don't have to get hounded. But it's lush, innit? I mean,
It's different.
certainly different, yeah, I've got to say. Can't wait for the stargazing that later. That should be alright, shouldn't it? But it's been a bit sort of hazy today anyway, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll be interested to see whether we will see any stars later on, because it has been hazy as the days went on. Hello, Miranda. Hello, mate.
Hi.
There you go.
Welcome, Sharm el Sheikh.
Hey, Sharm el
Yes,
Sheikh.
yes,
Love
good.
it.
Yeah.
Love it. Thanks,
Thank
mate.
you.
Thank you. Right, okay, guys, we're going to love yous and leave it. It was just a quick check-in, really, to show you what we're up to, and we will catch you in a bit. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. I know, poor kids. I know.